Hey guys, it's Cal coming at you with another review from the rig, where I attempt to answer the question that you most want to know. Yeah, but does it smell good? Before we get into it, what do you think of the updated logo? I love the logo I've been using for the last few years, designed for a buddy of mine, but I thought it was time for an upgrade, just to change it up a little bit. So what do you think of it? So, just got done trucking, feet 150K today. So we're parked, and we are coming at you with Fiddler's Friend. Now, you may remember this was released on day 5 of the 2025 PAA Christmas Advent Calendar. I absolutely loved this scent. This full set was sent to me for review purposes by friend Douglas and Hugsley over at PAA. So, I put it on the back of my hand a few times. I have not worn this since I did the opening for day 5. I absolutely love this scent. So, by the way, you've got to check out this label. This is so cool. I know I know the lighting on the truck isn't great. So, we have the Fiddler, Sasquatch, and if you can see, and I had to ask, he's holding a plaid patterned thermos. Of course, got Douglas, DB Cooper, Mothman. There's some significance to the eyes. Apparently something about the twin sons in the movie Escape from Witch Mountain that I have not seen. Of course, we've got the moon, and of course, this is famously from Douglas's retinal scan. We have a UFO, which I guess now we have to call a UAP. Maybe the Martians were getting offended that we called them UFOs, so now we have to call them unidentified aerial phenomena. And of course, Cube. Oh, don't forget about Nessie. And I'm sure there's other little goodies in there that I have not picked up on. So, anyway, again, this was released for the 2025 Christmas Advent Calendar. It has just been released, full product line across the whole spectrum. Absolutely love this. So, tell you very quickly about the scent notes, what I get, and a little bit of the history on it and background. By the way, do I think it smells great? Abso-freaking-lutely. PAA, they do musks extremely well. And this is a musk scent. We have, where's my notes? Just no top, middle, and bottoms here. We have bergamot, cedarwood, woody, patchouli, spice, oak moss, and animalic musk. Now, I still, after all these years of making videos, patchouli kind of escapes me, so I Googled it. I'm actually going to get an essential oil. But patchouli seems to be, it can smell earthy, it can be woody, it can be spicy, it can be musky, it can be a little bit sweet, so it seems to cover the broad spectrum. But again, this to me is a great musk. If you're familiar with PAAs, Praise John from, if you're familiar with the Spice Bot, this is somewhere in between. It's not as warm and as dark as Spice Bot, but it's also not as light and as herbaceous as Praise John from. This falls somewhere in between. Very, very masculine. Very, very, I want to say, almost serious. It's not a playful scent whatsoever. I'm not sure that most musks are, but this is not what I would call playful. This is businesslike. This is very proper, and I actually love this. So, tell you, if you're in the musks, I think you're actually going to love this. Very classic smelling. But originally, this is a lost classic that Douglas originally made a couple of very, very small batches back in 2016 for a friend of his who is also a professional fiddle player. Yes, I'm referring to my notes. So, after 2 small batches sold out, it just got lost to the sands of time. Maybe 20, 40 bottles tops were made. Anyway, a while after, a bottle came up out of nowhere and appeared on eBay and sold for a surprisingly much higher price than what it was originally sold for. And people that follow PAA were wondering, like, what the heck is this? How come we've never heard of this before? And we want it, especially once word got out and spread, then the interest started growing. So, after being reintroduced in the 2025 Christmas Advent Calendar, guys loved it. It was only a limited release for the Advent Calendar, but now you can get it. Now it is going to be across all the product lines. I don't know how long it's going to last for, but phenomenal. And staying power, as with many of PAA's colognes. This is going to last you for hours. I mean, you put this on in the morning. I mean, you probably wouldn't put it on the back of your hand, but you're still going to smell it later that night. Although I may not have shaved with it yet, I have used PAA for years. I know the CK6 formula. It is one of the few vegan formulas that I absolutely love. So if you're familiar with CK6, just friggin' phenomenal. If you're predominantly into Talos, don't let this one surprise you, or don't miss out on this one. Again, this vegan formula, top shelf in my opinion. So you really should check this one out. Again, don't know how long it's going to last for, but musk base, and it doesn't really have that warmth that some other musks might have, but you're going to get that woody spiciness, that patchouli, and of course that musk. Just, again, it's kind of a middle of the road, not super light, not super dark, but just a great in boardroom, pretty much any occasion in my opinion. Just masculine and manly, so I definitely recommend checking it out. So anyway, guys, gonna wrap this one up. I hope you guys have an awesome week, and we'll talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.